Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Easeus ToDo backup data recovery software for your PC. So let's go and see how to download and install for your PC Windows. So first of all we will go to Google Chrome browser and Easeus ToDo backup, search here. Open this website easeus.com, free backup software. Okay, open this website, and this is available for Windows operating system and Windows backup free 2022. Okay, free backup software features: one click backup and instant recovery with high efficiency, perform disk imaging and save backups in a condition. Over 20 million users enjoy a high level of data security with Easeus backup. Getting full, get 250 GB of cloud storage for free. Okay, so backup feature and capabilities we can see here. Backup, you have everything. Easeus free backup software for Windows. Ensure your data as well as your future. It comes with a simple UI but powerful ability to create backup of disks. Okay, you can see here the capabilities of Easeus ToDo backup software. Restore you want everyone anywhere, and after that free cloud backup software underneath the Windows backup software. What's more, simple backup management and enhanced backup efficiency, basic backup scheduled, bootable backup and recovery. These are the functions. Restore system similar hardware, disk and partition clone, multi-path backup storage, secured password protected backups. Pick up the best backup software for your needs. Okay, you can see here the free variant, updated variant, pro variant and enterprise variant. And the price difference and the feature difference between them. Backup recovery speed. Okay, it's one faster, is double faster, and enterprise is 3 times more faster. Free backup, file backup restore, system backup restore, disk backup restore, partition backup restore, full differential still, incremental backup, disk partition clone. This is not available, and all are available in free variant, but disk partition clone is not available in free variant but available in both partition home and enterprise variant. You can see here the features differences between free variant, home variant and enterprise variant. You can free download free variant here and home variant in $39.95, about $40 from here, and $50 enterprise variant addition here. Okay, after that we will see about user reviews and what's new. The latest variant is 2023. Okay, system requirements Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 backup storage devices, HDD, USB drive. These are the storage devices supported for. Okay, after that the alternative of that Easeus members are partition master, disk copy, data recovery wizard. Okay, so we will download, we will try to download and install free for our PC. So I will click here to free download for our PC, or from here to download free. Okay, after that I will put my email address and try to download. Okay, what's wrong with this? So download here, and you can see that the installer of ToDo backup data recovery software has been started to be downloaded, and after a few seconds, yes, it has been downloaded, and we will see it and install it in our PC. Okay, run it as an administrator and allow this. Yes, allow this, and loading. The software ToDo backup data recovery software has been started to be downloaded, and click install now. Install free, or you can buy the home variant of $40 from here. Try home edition. Okay, you can select here if you want to download the variant. So I will try install free, and you can see that installation has been started. It's about 134 MB setup and it's going to be downloaded. So in few seconds it will be installed into my PC and work free variant feature into my PC. So guys, in this way you can also download and install ToDo Easeus backup data recovery software for your PC in this way. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.